Welcome to the class. In this class, we will learn questions based on boats and stream uh, with the help of this example. But before solving this example, let's brush up our concept of boats and stream. In this diagram, I have shown a river. The river is flowing from left to right direction. The direction is shown with this red arrow. So if a boat is moving in the direction of the current, in the direction of the river flow, then it is known as downstream. And if the boat is moving against the water current, against the direction of the water flow of river, it is known as upstream. Okay, so suppose B is the speed of boat in still water. When the water is not flowing, water is still stationary, and the speed of boat is B. And if R is the speed of water current or the river stream, then the downstream speed, that means the speed with which the boat sails with the water current, is equal to B plus R. And upstream speed, that means the speed with which the boat sails against the water current, will be B minus R, because in this case, in fact, the water current will help the boat, and in this case the water current will oppose the boat. That's why here it is B minus R, and in this case it is B plus R. If we know the downstream speed SD and the upstream stream SU, then with the help of SD and SU, we can calculate the speed of boat in still water, which is equal to SD plus SU by 2. That means downstream and upstream speed added divided by 2, and speed of water current will be SD minus SU by 2. So these are the basic concepts and formulas which we'll be using here to solve this question. So let's first read this question. A boat travels 36 km downstream in 6 hours and returns back at the starting point in 9 hours. Find the speed of boat in still water and speed of river stream. So let's make a diagram, simple diagram. So a boat travels 36 km downstream. Okay, so suppose from this place to this place it is 36 kilometer. 36 kilometer is it travels downstream and come to this point in 6 hours and return back at the starting point in 9 hours. That means from this place to the previous place here, it returns back in 9 hours. Obviously in returning back it will take more time, because the water current will oppose the speed of boat, because water is flowing in this direction. We have seen in this figure also. So we know the downstream speed, we know here the downspeed time, and we can know the downspeed stream. So downstream speed is equal to distance over time. So distance given as 36 kilometer, time taken in downstream is equal to 6 hours. So that is basically 6 kilometer per hour. That is downspeed stream. We can write it like SD. Okay, upstream speed, we can write SU is equal to distance, that is same because the boat is returning back to the starting point, that is 36 kilometers divided by the time taken in upstream, which is 9 hours. 9 hours, that is 4 kilometer per hour. So we know down speed stream, we know upstream speed. We can apply these two formulas to know the speed of boat in still water and speed of water current, which is required in this question. So speed of boat is speed of boat in a still water that is B, that is equal to SD plus SU by 2, that is 6 plus 4 by 2, 10 by 2, that is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, similarly speed of water current, speed of water current, that is R, that can be found out as SD minus SU by 2, that is 6 minus 4 by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1 kilometer per hour. So we know the speed of boat is 5 kilometer per hour and speed of water current is 1 kilometer per hour. We will see more example in the next class.